Hi, what's going on, everyone? Today we're going to do a video price prediction for Quant Network. You guys can currently tell that there is a prediction here on our chart looking for the market in Quant Network to go down. The market has actually done that. Now we're going to try to update you all to see if this cryptocurrency is going to continue to go down in price, because if so, then already you should be able to tell that we're going to try to target these two buy pockets down here at the bottom around what, 97, 98 bucks to $90. So let's go ahead and break into it. Let's take a look at the market in Quant Network. First of all, on the 2-day chart, you guys can currently tell that the market fell through these three buy pockets of 107 to 105 all the way down to 103, and the market hit our ultimate TP price. What day was it? On August the 19th. So that was around 9.38%. So let's go ahead and get rid of that. We will also get rid of these buy pockets here into the market in Quant. And we're going to create another sell pocket right around here for Quant Network. Okay. So we just added another pocket of selling. Even if we do begin to see price in Quant Network go higher, we will have to see the market break through these sell pockets. Okay. Let's take a look at it on the 3. So currently here on the 3, the market definitely still is showing us that the market overall direction is still bearish or weak. You can see on these two 3-day price bars to go along with this one. And this 3-day price bar tells us that the market is currently being controlled by the sellers. They're the one who's moving the market down the field currently. We just kind of need to wait and see where the buyers are going to pop in and try to support price in Quant Network. And as of right now, look at it on the 3. I don't see that occurring from that last completed 3-day price bar. Here it is on the 4 as well. Take a look at Quant on the 5. You can kind of see some hints that buyers are trying to enter into the market in Quant Network, probably right here where we just did this buy pocket right here. Okay, so this is going to serve as a vital point of us noticing if the market's going to hold price right here, because if they do, then yeah, we might see another small move to the upside only to one of these two sell pockets that we already have drawn on our chart. Here it is on the weekly chart. Okay, and Quant Network on the 2. We still got 5 days on the weekly and the 2. I would like to see how these price bars print at the end of the week as well as on the 2 weeks to see if the market closes at the bottom of the bar. Because if we do see that, then we need to target, like I said earlier, around 97 to like $91 for another potential point to where buyers could try to enter the market in Quant Network. Here it is on the 3. Take a look at Quant Network on the 5 and for the month of August so far. Now we're going to take a look at this on the hourly chart. You can definitely see that buyers are trying to come in, and the market currently is not showing us that ability for them to keep the sellers at bay. They're not actually winning at that right now. Take a look at this on the 5-hour chart. Okay, so you can definitely tell that the weakness is coming through into the market for Quant Network. This is probably another bearish signal to where we receive this buy signal and then the market didn't go higher because of these sellers within this pocket. Okay, so in the emphasis of what we talk about here on this channel, always remember that pockets hold more weight than the signals that you guys see on the chart. Okay, because it's these pockets that can actually remove the signal's strength of where price is supposed to go. And this is one example of that occurring right here, to where it was an opportunity for buyers to actually come through in the market. And as you can tell, they failed to break price through that sell pocket right there. Here it is on the 3-hour chart. Okay, so we did receive these sell signals here into the market in Quant Network, and that is exactly what the market did and went down following that buy signal to where the market did not capitalize off of moving price up. Again, here it is on the 1-hour chart. A lot of sell signals being triggered here into the market in Quant Network. And again, on the 3:30, you guys can tell that the market is not giving us any buy signals. A lot of it's telling us that the market is a sell and the price continues to go in that direction. So literally, we need to see where these buyers are. That's the only thing that we have concerns about for the market in Quant Network is where are these buyers. Okay, so until we find them, we need to anticipate that the market in quant is still weak and anticipate the price action to continue to go lower. Okay, so we're going to do that. We're going to anticipate that the market in quant is going to continue to go down, albeit I do admit price currently is at a logical point to where we may see buyers enter in right now, to where they might give us a small spurt move to the upside, but only just to get rejected at one of these two sell pockets right there. Okay, so I'm definitely want to lay that out on the table so that you guys know that I did mention that. Okay, but we're going to try to target this first buy pocket either at the high or the low. That's 7.25% at the low of the pocket. Then our next target is going to be here around $90. On the lows, like 13.5% move to the downside there. All right, so that is it. We'll see if these buyers actually approach the market now, because if they do, then this price prediction will go against what we thought or what actually happened to the price. Okay, so that's it for the moment. Let me know your thoughts. Make sure you maintain profit, and as always, trade different.